The Chalcedon Foundation presents A Word in Season, Volume 5, written by R.J. Rushdoony, narrated by Nathan F. Conkey. One. By him all things consist. Paul in Colossians 1:13-17 says that we are redeemed and made members of the kingdom of Christ through his atonement. All things were not only created by him and for him, but even more, quote, by him all things consist, end quote. The word, quote-unquote, consist is in the Greek sonistemi, a combination of two words, son or with and histemi, to stand. Nothing in heaven or on earth can stand apart from Jesus Christ. This means that whether it be politics, education, economics, the family, the church, or anything else, including all persons, they cannot stand long without Christ. To have a Christless education, politics, or economics is to invite disaster, which we are seeing. He is the foundation, and without him, the storms of life and time bring about the collapse of every structure built upon sand, upon man. Matthew 7:26-27. Quote, by him all things consist, end quote. Beginning with ourselves, we are sure to make a shambles of our lives on any other foundation. We then presuppose some other source of truth in the universe, that is, some other way of life than Jesus Christ. If we build on such a lie, we turn our lives into a lie, and we make trouble and disaster inevitable. We have then no man to blame but ourselves. Since, quote, by him all things consist, end quote, we had better make him the foundation of all in our lives.